Hello again, EN 104 students. This is your instructor, Michael Blumenberg. I hope week one treated you well, and we're in the summer A term, and we're going to be taking a look at the assignments that are required for you in week two. In fact, that is the purpose of this particular video. So I'm on our Blackboard page, and the first thing that I'm going to do, which is where you always want to start each week, is to go to the Classroom tab in the left-hand side of the navigation of our Blackboard page. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to scroll down until I reach Unit 2, which corresponds to our week. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and from there we have a listing of the sequence of activities, and you are informed that you are to begin the Realize It learning map for the basic writing overview. You are to post a draft of your This I Believe essay. Now remember last week you were doing the pre-writing for the essay, which included a free writing session along with the outline of the essay. So this week is the time when you can actually present the draft. And don't forget to answer the reflection questions in the peer review in the discussion forum as well. Now note your due date, that's due Wednesday. You have to keep close track of your discussion due dates, as that was a problem for just some of you during week one. And then you are to post your first discussion response to a classmate's draft by Friday, and then complete your second discussion by Sunday. Of course, the Realize It learning map for basic writing overview is due Sunday, and your action plan for revising the This I Believe essay is due Sunday as well. So with all that being said, we're going to start by clicking on the discussion board, and we're going to scroll down to, and I'm going to move this over just so we can make sure we get everything in here, to the This I Believe peer review for Unit 2. This again is on the discussion board. So what it says to do is submit your draft of This I Believe, upload it as a Microsoft Word attachment, and when an author reflection, write an author reflection that answers the following questions. Number 1, describe your writing process. Number 2, identify an area of pride. Number 3, identify an area of concern. And number 4, what do you need help with? What would you like your classmates to comment on or suggest? Make sure you're specific, don't say everything or whatever. And you need your structured response to a classmate on Friday, and that's where you use the comment feature on Microsoft Word to give feedback. Upload the attachment to your reply. Now there is a tutorial for that, so a YouTube video, make sure you check that out if you're still uncertain as to how to do that. And then comment on the areas your classmate requested help, being specific as you do so. And then again, the second with the second reply. Now you're not an editor, and your classmates are just you're a reader trying to understand your classmates' ideas. So we're aware of that. I know that, and so your classmate will know that as well. So you're just looking to help out as you can. So please keep that in mind. I'm going to go back to the classroom, and I'm going to go back down to Unit 2 folder. And I want to walk you through the action plan. Now the assignment here says, based on peer review feedback from your peers in the learning materials in the Blackboard video and Realize It, select at least 3 things you will do as you revise your This I Believe essay for the final draft next week. You might want to keep that in mind too, that the final draft is due next week, so I think that that's important to note. And so there is a sample action plan, and if you click it, and we'll pull it up just so you can see what it looks like. Well, if it will cooperate with me, let me go back and try that again. There it is. Move this down. This is just the sample, and it says, as I revise my This I Believe essay, I plan to, and you're just going to add your own, of course, revision points that you plan to address. And that's really what you're looking to do in your action plan. You have a lot on your plate in putting together the draft this week, completing your discussion, you Realize It, So we don't want this to be too stressful, but I just want to see kind of how you plan to handle the revision ahead of the final draft due next week. I think that's pretty much it, folks. If you have any questions, again, feel free to use the message option. I want to show that again one more time. It's on our Blackboard page over here in the corner. I'm kind of waving my cursor here so you can see it. And yeah, I wish you the best of luck in week 2. Hopefully that essay is coming together for you well. I look forward to reviewing it and giving you some feedback. And keep working hard. I appreciate the hard work. If you have questions, just let me know. But otherwise, good luck.